Hey Alexa, how do you find morel mushrooms?
Sorry, I don't know how you find morel mushrooms.
We made it back out in the shroom woods. Brought an extra set of eyes with me today, so we really could be getting them. Stay tuned. We're on the clusters. We're gonna fill them up, boys. Uh-oh. We're getting them. They're all under this canopy, in the shade, in the moss. Deep, deep back in the moss. We're getting them. You guys smell that? That's butter. The pan is heating up.
You missed a couple.
Oh, what's up? That's what I brought you for. Them eyes you got there, boy. Commence time-lapse chopping. Add them to the pile. Pile's getting bigger.
Quite a few in here.
Are you getting them?
Next to the log.
It's like when you were a kid, you stick Funyuns on your fingers. Morels are better. Off with his head. I think we better check these other couple trees. Stay tuned. Here's the tree we got him under. Nice big elm tree. Been picking mushrooms under this tree for about 5 years now. Oh, the goodness. Down the shroom trail I go to the next one. Uh-oh. We still be picking. Off with both their heads. What do you got there, Dylan?
Get a bag of shrooms.
You gonna share them?
Nope, these are mine.
What's in here? What's in... Here you go, Troy. I left you one. Well, I made it to a few other trees, elm trees, and there's this funny fungus growing. But look at what we got right next door. Morels! Oh, and more morels! Get him, Dylan, before it recedes. Got him. Never know what you're gonna find in the shroom woods. Somebody built a little shelter here. They got their lighter there. It's a pretty neat little shelter, just needs some debris on top. I think I'll name it the Crusty Bearded Hobo Inn. Hey Alexa, are you getting them?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
I'm getting them.